How to find concrete grinding and resurfacing services. 1. Research local contractors. Look for concrete grinding and resurfacing specialists in your area through online directories, reviews, and recommendations. 2. Check experience and expertise. Ensure the contractor has experience in handling similar projects and uses advanced equipment for effective results. 3. Request quotes and compare pricing. Obtain multiple quotes to compare pricing, ensuring you get competitive rates without compromising quality. 4. Verify licensing and insurance. Ensure the contractor has the necessary licenses and insurance to protect against liabilities. 5. Ask about materials and techniques. Inquire about the grinding tools and resurfacing materials used to ensure durability. 6. Confirm timeline and warranty. Discuss project timelines and warranties to avoid delays and ensure long-term satisfaction.